Do you ever feel like investing is complicated, like you need to be an expert, watch the markets every single day, or understand confusing financial charts just to build wealth and potentially retire early? The truth, investing is actually really simple, but most people are led to believe it's complicated. Why? Because complexity sells. On this channel, I break investing down into simple, practical steps anyone can understand, anyone can follow. No hype, no get rich quick rubbish, no confusing financial jargon, just simple investing, long-term wealth building, index funds, UK investing strategies, tax efficient investing, and practical ways to grow your money over time, over the long term. You don't need to be rich, you don't need to be a financial expert, and you definitely don't need to start perfectly. You just need a simple plan and consistency. So if you want to invest and explain simply, and you want to build real wealth without complications and stress, hit subscribe, because building wealth is much simpler than most people think. And if you are serious about investing, type yes below and I'll send you my 5-step plan so you can invest in the stock market with confidence, stress-free.